You crack open a cold can of Coke. It hisses, fizzes, and for a second, everything feels all right. It's sweet, familiar, comforting, but somewhere in the back of your mind, you remember someone once calling it insect juice. Wait, what? And you wonder, is Coke really that bad? Let's find out. Because if you've ever felt guilty for drinking a can or smug for avoiding it, this one's for you. First up, the insect myth. Some people genuinely believe Coke is insect juice because of its dark color. And honestly, when you see a thick, black, fizzy drink, it's not the craziest thought. But here's where it likely came from. Some red sodas and candies used to use cochineal extract, a red dye made from crushed insects. It's still in some lipsticks and desserts today, but Coca-Cola never used it. So, no, Coke has never contained insects. Myth? Busted. But just because it doesn't have bugs doesn't mean it's harmless. Let's talk sugar. One 330 milliliter can has 35 grams, about 9 teaspoons. The World Health Organization recommends no more than 25 grams per day. So one can? Already over the line. This much sugar spikes your blood glucose, gives you a rush, then a crash. Tired, sluggish, craving more. It's not just a habit, it's a biochemical loop. Over time, high sugar intake is linked to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. That's not hype, that's science. Now, your teeth. Coke's acidity is around pH 2.5, just above battery acid. It won't melt your face, but it can erode tooth enamel over time. Add sugar to that, and dentists get rich at your expense. Caffeine? About 34 milligrams per can. Not a lot, but enough to build dependency over time. And here's the clever part. Sugar plus caffeine plus bubbles equals repeat business. It's tasty. It's designed to feel good. It's built to be addictive. But is Coke evil? Not really. Here's the honest truth. Coke isn't poison. An occasional can won't destroy your life. Millions drink it in moderation and are perfectly fine. The problem? How often you drink it and what it replaces. If it's your daily go-to instead of water, if you can't go a day without it, maybe it's time to pause. Because Coke isn't just a drink, it's a symbol of comfort, craving, and consumer psychology. This isn't about hating Coke, it's about asking yourself, do I control this habit or does it control me? So, is Coke really that bad? Not inherently, but unchecked, it becomes more than a drink. Enjoy it mindfully. Treat it like what it is, a sweet indulgence, not a daily essential. Because in a world built to hijack your attention and taste buds, awareness is power. Still want to crack one open? Go ahead. But this time, you'll know what's inside the can and what it's doing inside you.